Hey guys, today I have the August Glambag Plus from Ipsy to unbox for you guys and also try on. I did go ahead and record the try on portion, so I'm going to be putting that here to the side just because I am very sniffly and still kind of under the weather, so I didn't want you guys to hear all that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in, and this month's card is called the Bear Yourself. So it's supposed to be to celebrate more of a natural beauty, so everything in here is more like naturally related. So first thing in here is the Balm Cosmetics, the Balm of Your Hand. In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. This is worth $32. It says that it's a sleek palette. It has eyeshadows, blush, bronzer, highlighter. It's supposed to be kind of like an all-in-one for packing on the go. This is what it looks like right here. On the side, you'll see that I'm doing just a, very neutral look. That's basically what I got from this. It has a really cool packaging because all of the other palette kind of graphics are on here, so you can see all the palettes that were included in here. So that I thought that was really, really cute. And on the inside, you have a mirror, and then you have 2 matte eyeshadows, 2 shimmers, a highlight, 3 blushes, and a bronzer, and each one has their according graphics according to whichever palette they came from. So I thought that was really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the shades here so you guys can see them. I went ahead and applied this one to my crease, this to the outer corner, and then these 2 to the lid, as you can see in the demo to my side. And it just seems like a really, really nice palette. Also, I applied the Bahama bronzer and the Mary Lou luminizer, as well as the Frat Boy mixed in with the Instastain. So the only one that I didn't use was Down Boy. So let me go ahead and swatch these for you. This is the Mary Lou manizer, which I actually had already owned. This is the Bahama Mama. So that is what that looks like. And then I have Down Boy, Frat Boy, and Instain. So that is what those look like. So this one, obviously the Down Boy is pink, the Frat Boy is more of a peachy, and the Instastain is a dark kind of shimmer peach. So all of these seem like satin except for the Instain, which is more of a shimmer. So those are the shades in here. I feel like this performed really, really beautifully. It seems like a really nice palette to take on the go, to go, traveling with, or if you're gonna go, stay at a hotel, staycation or something like that, just because it kind of includes all the basics in here, and you could smoke it out if you wanted to. You have your highlighter, bronzer, blushes, kind of like a little bit of everything in here. So I thought that was really nice, and the mirror was really nice as well. The only thing is that you kind of do have to hold it up yourself because it is one of those mirrors that'll just fall on you. So that is the first thing in here, and I thought that was a really nice, and I think that the look that I got was a really beautiful look from it as well. So the next thing in here is the Farrah brushes. It's a 5-piece eye set. This is worth $48, and it seems to be synthetic brushes. It doesn't say, it just says that it's completely vegan and cruelty free and can be used with both creams and powders. So to me, it seems like they are synthetic. I think $48 for these 5 brushes of a brand that I have no idea who they are, it seems a little bit steep. This is what it looks like. I did not use them in the demo just because I feel like someone else could get really, really good use from them. And it has 3 crease brushes, a all over lid brush, and kind of like a slanted brush. So they just seem really nice and sleek, but they do seem overpriced for what they are. I don't think I would run out and buy these because I really don't know much about the brand. So yeah, that just this seems like something that I'm just going to give away to someone else. Next thing in here is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. You guys will see me actually applying this to the side. I am in the shade medium, and I got the shade medium. This is worth $39.50. It says that it's supposed to be a lightweight formula, covers imperfections, natural looking skin, infused to give you protection with SPF 50, and it's supposed to have anti-aging properties. So when I first saw this in the box, I got so excited because I was like, oh my god, I have yet to try this. And then as I tried it, I was like, this is just the CC cream. So I don't know if this is just them rebranding the CC cream, but legit, it has everything, the same claims, everything, it wears the same, it looks the same on the skin as the CC cream. It looks very natural, very glowy, very beautiful on the skin. It has the SPF of 50, hydrating and anti-aging claims, everything, the whole 9 yards. So to me, this is just this being rebranded. I'm not fully mad at it because I do love the CC cream, so it's kind of like I have a backup of it now. I just kind of was let down by the expectation of trying a new foundation, so that was the only thing that kind of was like so to me, I don't know if they're saying that this is a brand new foundation, but to me it doesn't seem like it is. This is just seems like the exact same thing. So I will try to find information and put it across the screen if it is just being rebranded as a different name or what, but legit they smell the same, they look the same on my skin. One has a little bit of a neutral, this one has a tiny bit more of a neutral undertone than this one, but they are identical to the T. And I bought this 3 different times, so I'm pretty sure that I know how that one works. So the next thing in here is the Zuva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops in the color Trust Fund. This is worth $26. It is a water resistant formula that won't budge. It's supposed to give you a glow. It says that you can use it for your body as well. It says that you can mix it into your moisturizer, your foundation, you can put on your cheekbones, you know, the whole 9 yards as far as highlighters go. So I have yet to try anything from this brand, Zuva. It looks very cute. As you can see in the demo, I put this actually on top of the Mary Lou Luminizer because I totally forgot that this was in here. It's a very nice little bottle. It's super cute. It has a dropper and it's super thick, as you can see there. I think it's too shimmery for me to put into my foundation. I do think that I could probably get away with putting this into a moisturizer and kind of get that glow that everyone wants now. I know that ColourPop, what's that new brand? They have like a new brand, is it Soul? They have a sister brand and they're making a lot of these products. So this seems like you could basically do the same thing and put it all over your body, which is what I'm going to do, is apply it with moisturizer and put it like on my legs, because it looks very beautiful for that. So I like the fact that because they are so liquidy, but they blend really nicely. I like the fact that it just blended nicely on top of the products I already have without picking it up. I also like the fact that I was able to do a kind of light luminizer, and also I could definitely see that this would build up to like a blinding highlight if you're into that as well. So I'm sorry for the sniffing. I'm so sick. So this is absolutely beautiful. I do think that I would use this a lot as far as like mixing it in with maybe my Bum Bum cream and using it for the pool for my legs, just because it gives like that kind of metallic-y beautiful look that people are dying for, because every brand is coming out with one. I know Huda Beauty came out with them, Sol de Janeiro, and now that new brand from ColourPop. So I think if you get these, definitely try them for your legs or arms or that kind of thing, just because it does give that beautiful glow to the skin, as you can see there. Look how beautiful that is. So aside from just being a liquid highlight, I think that I would definitely use this for my body, and it looks stunning. I think that this would look really nice on my skin tone, especially my legs. Okay, so next product in here is the Pure Lease Blue Lotus. This is the Daily Moisturizer SPF 30. This is worth $45. It is a daily go-to, hydrating, non-greasy. It protects your skin, has white tea, vitamin E, and algae extracts. And this is what this baby looks like right here. I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised that it wasn't too strong of an SPF smell. It kind of has like a clean scent mixed with that SPF smell. It's not as good as like the smell of Kula. I really like the smell of their stuff a lot better, but I think that this is a nice one to receive in the box. It says that it has no white tint, which you can definitely see in the demo that it doesn't have like a white tint. It didn't leave like a white tint to my skin, which I really like for when I go to the pool. And yeah, just a really nice moisturizer. It wasn't like overly moisturizing, but it wasn't too drying either. So I really like this, and we'll definitely be using this as well. And yeah, that is it for this month's box. Let me know what you guys thought. I have to say, I am pleasantly surprised by this month's box. I loved everything in here. The brushes are the only thing that I don't really I think I'm just going to give away, just because of I personally in my collection have way too many brushes, so I think that somebody could get better use of this. But I really enjoy everything in here. The only thing that I would say was kind of like a little bit of a, you know, like a for me was this, not because of the product itself, just because when I read the name Bye Bye Foundation, I thought it was something else, and it's literally this. So that is it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your thoughts on the products are. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow me on any of my social medias, they're linked down below. If you want to subscribe, hit that little red button. It's free. And yeah, thank you guys as always for being so kind and loving, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.